What's going on, guys? I'm in the middle of tropical storm depression 19 and I'm here to catch a giant fish. I only get to fish 2 days a week, so tropical storm or not, I'm just gonna fish. Storm warning is going off and shit, so let's see what I can do. My previous PB of this fish is 43 inches and 35 pounds. Let's see if I can break that PB today. I already saw a couple, so if they're hungry, this shouldn't take long at all. Stay tuned. These fish are very smart, so what I'm gonna do is just stay on my knees and just sneak up to them very slowly. What I've got right now is Wonder Bread, 8-pound test, and a small circle hook. Let's see what happens. Alright, we're back. For some reason CVS did not have bread. I don't know what kind of CVS doesn't have bread, but thankfully Walgreens did, so I'm gonna go back and see what we can do now. Well, I kid you not, guys. The second I got back, I took one cast and instantaneously this guy bit. I'm literally, my music's still going. I literally haven't even like got my stuff set up. I just took one cast and this thing just instantly crushed it. I didn't have the GoPro out of my backpack. It's not a big one, but it is a beauty. This is a little baby one. They get so much bigger than this. I don't know if I got that eat, but that was cool. Another little one. There we go. Nice little carp. Probably about 8 pounds. Freshly stocked grasser. Other one I had was, I don't know why the video turned off, but it was about 10 probably. So smallest one so far. Let's see what good. Yellow belly. Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, they're just born right now. I've been catching now. I guess these are I think that's like an Oscar or something. I don't know.
Might be a baby Oscar.
Yeah.
I think it is a baby Oscar.
It is, right? That's what I thought it was.
Wow. Oh my god,
yeah,
that's
beautiful.
beautiful.
I saw it down there and I was like, bro, what fish is that?
I've never seen, that's what baby Oscars look like. I've never seen one like that. All right, well, a bunch of people came and the fish got really smart for a while, but now everyone's gone. Kayaker went away, turtle guy went away, other peacock fishermen went away, and the bigger fish are now playing. This is, oh, don't break me off on that. Okay. This one's closer to 20 pounds. The other one were probably barely even 10. This one's in that higher teen range, which is good. This is the size I want, or bigger actually. Oh, It's number 3 for the day. I've had a lot of eats. All right, now you're done, bud. That's the fight. These 20+ pound carp are a completely different fish from the 10 pounders. Unless it's not as big as I think, but I think it's a bigger one. He looks pretty big. There's another big one following him too. It's a whole school of them. Yeah, buddy. We're looking at a 25, 30 pound fish right here, I think. I don't know, he's over 20. He's got to be over 20. These things are fucking crazy, bro. They're not as strong as you would think they would be, but on 8 pound test, man, it's really hard to beat this. Like, it really is. Unbelievable how fat these things are. Oh my god. See, this fish is probably 20 pounds and it's not even that long. Like, holy crap. That's such a fat fish. It's unbelievable. This is a pond monster. I have huge hands and this thing makes my hand look small. Oh my god. I can't believe the belly on this thing. This thing is probably like 32 inches long, but it's 20 pounds because of that gut. I mean, come on. All right, bud. Massive minnow. This is one of the largest fish in the minnow family, if not the largest. When you think minnow, you think small little fish, but this thing is the size of a small shark. I'm gonna hold him until he kicks. He's a little tired. And he kicks. There he goes. Woohoo. That's what the grind's all about right there, baby. Another giant hooked up. This is just getting unbelievable at this point. I've never caught so many giant fish in a row like this. I mean, these are like just giant freshwater fish. So these as far as freshwater fish goes, catching this many over and over and over again is just, I mean, look at that reel, bro. It's just like, this is just too good. These aren't super mega grass carp, but to catch this many in a row in a public body of water, I mean, come on. Just one after another, man. It's just so nice. It's just unbelievable. Tropical storm fishing at its finest. This fish has some serious character to it. Oh man, another giant. Not a mega, but that's still a fucking beautiful fish. Thanks, brother. Oh, it's so beautiful. Another big old fish. Looking for a 35, but I'm happy to play a 20-pound fish all day long. He's gonna kick off in a sec. They don't have the endurance as a common carp, but they're way more fun if you get them figured out. These are my favorite herbivorous fish. Vegetarians. No vegetarian fish I like to catch more than a grass carp. And he's gone. You're gonna get so big one day, buddy. That thing's massive one day. Come on, bro. Come on.